Yeah! Woo! You guys all know me. I'm Brian Crawford with Revitalize New Mexico. I want to introduce you to my demolition crew. We've got Bronson, the Bear Crawford. Oh, man. Show me those muscles again.
No.
And then we got Jack's Man. Show us his muscles. What tool do you want out of that bag to do the first hole in this wall? All right, poke a hole in that wall. Do it. Oh, hey. Hey. All right.
Come on, you gotta hit it.
Get it. Hit it.
There you go. You went all the way through?
Yeah.
Call me the Joker. Give that wall a whack, Jax. Hit it. Hit it. Yeah, hit it. Hit it. Yeah. Yeah.
Call me the fool. When she calls, I always seem to lose my cool. Baby, I'm just a Mario playing. And don't you know that loving you is a train waiting to have
Stinks.
Stinks?
fun? Don't you know that loving you is a train?
Oh, I found it. I mean, yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was up there.
Hey guys, let's see if we
I
can.
thought you were
Here,
lying.
let me see, Bronson. All right, watch out, Bronson and Jack. Step into this room over here.
Step over here just in case.
Whoa.
This is my demo tool of choice.
There we go.
Yeah.
I'll make it through, Brian.
Waiting to have fun. Yes, it is, baby.
Whoa. Ethan got it.
Got no class, all attributes. Don't know if I'm talking about me or you.
Okay. I got that one now.
Baby,
Whoa. You can.
You always make me proud, son. More importantly, you make me laugh. Alright, these boys have done most of the heavy lifting at this point. So, Bronson's still going at that wall. We'll see how long it takes him. Hi, this is Brian Crawford with Revitalize New Mexico. Sorry that video ended so abruptly. Our camera actually died and we didn't have any extra batteries with us, so rookie mistake. But this is what we've got behind us now. After all that demolition, we've got this giant hole in the wall, and this is actually going to be, I'm making a mess. This is actually going to be really cool. So we're taking out this wall. As you can see, the gas line is gone. We've had a licensed plumber do that. We got a new gas line dropping in. So there's going to be a half wall right here, and a new gas line, and a raw wood beam right here. So we're really excited about the progress that we've made. We're really excited about this house. We are way over budget so far, but we'll deal with it. Have a good one.